Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're taking a short break from our Oklahoma adventure series today because we're in Fort Worth, Texas. We had our first stop in Texas at Whataburger, so we're finishing up our drinks from there. And we just got here to the Stockyards in Fort Worth. We're gonna watch the cattle drive later on and check out all the shops and some of the little things to do here in the Stockyard area of Fort Worth. Super excited. It's a little warm. We got a great spot here in the shade though in the parking lot, so that was just honestly good luck and timing. So anyway, come along with us. I guess we're gonna start off by trying to ride the mechanical bull. Whoa, Pace!
Lean back, Pace! Lean back!
Lean back! Lean back!
You're supposed to lean back, not forward! You're supposed to lean back, not forward!
Oh, Pace.
Lean back.
Let's see how the cow lovers survives on the bowl. Lexi even get on? Yeah, there she goes. Alright, she did. Oh, wait, so, right. Don't be like
Lean back,
Paisley.
Sissy. Lean back. There you go.
Oh, Lex.
Don't be like Paisley, Lex.
She's determined. Oh! Good job, sis. Good ride. Bringing our herd over here to see the herd. Look at him. Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy. You're pretty. You move your daily boots. You want some?
Wow.
There's a cowboy over there.
There's a cowboy.
Lexi, how do you know it's a cowboy?
Is he taking care of him?
Bye.
He's got to move his horns around the post. Dancing. He likes this song. Aww. Go, Lex, go. Oh my gosh.
Get up.
Aww. Next we're gonna head into the Coliseum. I don't know if we can go inside and see it, but you know, there's no rodeo or anything going on right now. They only do that on the weekends. And we're here on a Wednesday. But they do have the rodeo shop, so we're just gonna go in and see what we can see. we've got another hour before the cattle drive, so we're gonna check out the Stockyard station, all the shops inside here while we wait. Got her new boots on. Give it a kick. It's almost time.
It's almost time.
You're in for a real treat because it's awesome. You've never seen it before. Now, for those of you who haven't seen this before, this is not your first cattle drive. Make some noise for me. Well, guess what? You're lucky too. You're in for a treat because it never gets old. I don't care if you've seen it 100 times. This is your first time, it's awesome. If you came from another city in Texas, you're in Texas, but you're not from Fort Worth, and this is your cattle, for this cattle drive today, make yourselves known with a loud yeehaw on two. 1, 2. That's for your group. Welcome to Fort Worth. Now, if you came from another state outside of Texas, but from the U.S., another state all the way here for this
Girls ready?
cattle drive, make yourselves known. Yeehaw! On 2. 1, 2. Biggest group so far, awesome. Now, sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't, but if you came from another country, all the way here to the U.S., to Texas, to Fort Worth, and the Stockyards for this cattle drive, make yourselves known with a loud yeehaw on 2. 1, 2. That might be the biggest group so far. Well, here's my point with all that. Today in the Stockyards, we don't consider you a tourist, you're our guest. That's the kind of hospitality we have here in Texas in general, and specifically in Fort Worth and the Stockyards. So don't leave here with any stones unturned or any questions unanswered, unasked. Find out what there is to do. There's a lot of great things for everyone to do.
Here they come.
Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls, and welcome to the Fort Worth Herd Cattle Drive. I'm Barry Corbin. Once upon a time, Stockyards, right where you're standing, was filled with cattlemen and cowhands. 150 years ago, this was their last stop before the long walk, over 500 miles of rugged land to Kansas. Fort Worth was the drover's last chance to buy supplies, enjoy a good meal, and kick up their heels before months of beans and hardtack and sleeping under the stars. Today you'll catch a glimpse of that past, but the herd is more than spectacle. It's a reminder of Fort Worth's Western heritage, of the cowboy grit and rugged independence so ingrained in the Texas spirit. That spirit is still here, and you are a part of it. So be sure and tip the hat and say howdy as the Texas Longhorn pass by with our drovers.
We all had a really fun time at Fort Worth Stockyards. We all thought it was pretty neat. The cattle drive is a must if you're going there. You have to see one of the cattle drives. They do it daily, every day except for I think maybe some of the major holidays, but pretty much every day that they do that cattle drive, and it's definitely worth seeing. Sorry if the AC is loud. It was also very hot. It's like almost 100 degrees today. But now we're gonna go meet up with Mark's sister and brother-in-law that live down here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we're gonna have some good old Texas barbecue for dinner. Michaela got one of the original Dr. Peppers. Supposedly this was established in like 1885. All right, give it a try. She's a huge Dr. Pepper fan, so she wanted to see if this tastes any different or if it tastes the same.
This is more cherry.
More cherry flavored? Do you like it?
Do you think that you should make back that recipe?
It's
instead?
good. She likes it. Yeah.
That's supposedly the original Dr. Pepper recipe. Now, I didn't record much of our dinner, but we went to Heim for some good old Fort Worth barbecue, and this did not disappoint. It was recommended by my sister and brother-in-law, and like I said, we were just visiting with them, so I didn't record too much of our meal, but we would recommend everything that we had. It was so good. Thank you so much for watching this video and coming along with us. We have 2 more videos for our Oklahoma adventure series coming up soon. Stay tuned.